Reasons why a car might not start. Electrical problems. 1. Dead battery, lack of energy to start the engine. 2. Faulty alternator, doesn't recharge the battery properly. 3. Starter motor malfunction, doesn't turn the engine. Fuel issues. 1. Clogged fuel filter, blocks the flow of fuel. 2. Dirty injectors, poor fuel atomization. 3. Damaged fuel pump, doesn't supply fuel. Mechanical problems. 1. Worn spark plugs, don't generate the necessary spark. 2. Broken timing belt, prevents piston movement. 3. Insufficient compression, lack of pressure in the cylinders. Electronic problems. 1. Faulty crankshaft position sensor, affects ignition and engine timing. 2. Damaged engine control module (ECM) failures in the car's computer. Other issues. 1. Wrong key, security system prevents starting. 2. Security issues, such as an activated vehicle immobilizer. 3. Extreme weather conditions, affect the battery and other components.